At 8 a.m., we're all very energized and ready to conquer the day. But by 8 p.m., we barely are left with any energy, totally drained out. No time left for the family or friends. Ever wondered why this is so? This energy imbalance is not only impacting our personal lives, but also our workplace productivity and our morale. At Pachouli, we address this through a series of initiatives. First, AI-based BCA. This is a quick 30-second assessment to find out about your visceral fat, muscle mass, bone health, and metabolic age. Nutritional assessment and one-on-one counseling to address any personal challenges. Physiotherapy assessment to evaluate your posture and flexibility to improve the workplace ergonomics. A series of mental wellness initiatives to create a positive work culture and more engaged employees. And lastly, Ayurveda at workplace. Through a unique Share Your Desk with Pachouli program, we offer hand and shoulder reflexology to improve the blood circulation and reduce stress. Allow us to help your employees stay energized throughout the day for themselves, for their families, and for their workplace. After all, an energized team leads to a thriving company.